Morning everyone. Today is Raksha Bandhan and Narari Purnima, so I'm going to prepare Narari Bhat, that is coconut rice. Okay, and the rice I'm using is Stony Ambe More for Narari Bhat. Add little ghee. Then dry fruits. I've soaked the rice for 3-4 hours and I'm going to prepare it now. After soaking, it can be cooked easily and fast, and it's very good. Instead, after soaking, use the rice, little bit of salt. Yes. See, I'm going to make rice out of good, so I'm adding little nutmeg powder, that is jaifar powder, then Vilachi powder, just 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. Actually it should be half. I've added the rice. Give it a nice stir. And I've removed nariyal milk from the nariyal. See, if you've added 1 katori of rice, around 2 to 2.5 katoris of milk. The last 4-5 days it's been raining. Water to it. It'll take a little time to cook. Yes, it's windy, and after 8 to 10 days we've got sunshine today. It's sunny also and windy also, but I love cooking like this way in the open, and especially when this view is there. Oh, it's lovely. Whatever you cook on the farm, it tastes yummy. There's the lid. Yeah. Ella jar law na thoda. Baba sir ye. Chal 2-3 लाकडं घाल मध्ये अजून. Now on the other chula I'm showing you all how to prepare masala bhat. That is the Maharashtrian masala bhat. Tela pan lao. Oh, let's wind it. From this side. Add oil, groundnut oil. Oh, mama. Add the vegetables. This is the adrak lasan paste. That is garlic ginger paste. Yes. This is the kara masala. That is, again, this onions also. These onions are burnt on the chula, and they taste lovely. It gives that aroma in the thing. See, you added coconut and onions. Leave aside like this. 2 teaspoons. And I'll add the kara masala, which we've kept it grounded in the house. Turmeric powder. Lal mirch powder. Salt. Once I keep this for cooking, I can stand aside. Don't worry, nothing will happen to me. I'm used to this type of thing. Yes. This lovely skirt. And this is Krishna Kamod rice I have used for cooking masala bhat. You can make wagi bhat out of it. This side is better. It's really windy and the wind has just been from one side to the other side. It's blowing. जाळलं चांगलं त्याला अजून लाव त्याला थोडे अजून काड्या घाल मध्ये घाल काड्या लेट्स सी इफ दिस स्टार्टेड बॉइलिंग हां इट स्टार्टेड बॉइलिंग येस yes it's cooking. We're going to add the jaggery syrup which I made. I showed you how to make the jaggery syrup which we had made for gulab jamun. You can use the jaggery syrup for anything in the house. You can replace it with your sugar. So I've made the jaggery syrup. Yes, here it is. And I'm going to add it after everything has been cooked. So you can see it. After it has been cooked, then I'm going to add the jaggery syrup. याला पण थोडं जाळ लावा लवकर शिजन असं बघ even the sun has gone down and see you can see we are standing in the farm itself and it's the reservoir. We've got a dam this side and river which comes like this way and today is Narali Purnima so we have a tradition like of how people on the sea they keep a नारियल अर्पण करते इधर इसमें in the river. The same way we are going to put the nariyal in the river. Okay, I'll send one of the boys to do it. आणि हे टाकून याच्यामध्ये नदीमध्ये. Yes, my Rakhi plate is ready. The serving bowls are ready. We are just waiting for the rice to be cooked. It's a little longer video because of the rice. It has to be fully cooked. थोडं अजून जाळ लाव ना बेटा झालं थोडंच होतं आलं अजून थोडे मोठाले 2 लाकडं लाव हां लाव हे बघा येतंय ना हां see in the villages people use this bamboo stick to blow air so after you blow the air then the fire starts coming so see ya I'm going to blow it yes lovely see there is no fire here but after you blow na this side is better. I told him to shoot from that side, so I will be at least I can see the cooking now. इकडून हां गरम आहे हां लागलं शिजायला लागलं गुड येस हे बघा कसं शिजतंय छान आता जाळ लावलं ना चांगलं पेटल अजून जाळ मस्त yes I prepared the plate for the Raksha Bandhan for all my brothers. This is all for y'all. Okay, this is the lovely Rakhis I'm going to tie for y'all. See. Hope you all remember when we were small, we had these Rakhis. Do you all remember? And how my brothers used to show everyone such a big Rakhi I've got a bigger Rakhi than you. Then instead of tying this thread, but now even this I'll tie for them. And this is something sweet for you all today. This is Sattu Laddu and Gond Laddu. And auction I'll do also. It's going to be online Raksha Bandhan for all the brothers from here. But this is online Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers. Keep safe, stay healthy. Come, let's see if it's cooked. Where's my chimta? याला अजून जाळ लाव ना बाबासाहेब. लाव अजून थोडं राहिलेलं आहे फक्त थोडं. This is cooking now. It takes little time, yes. At least 10 minutes on big sim. That is if you're cooking on a gas, at least 10 minutes full sim pe, and then slow. Baba sab azun tak hai jamade. And then on slow sim again 10 minutes and cover the this thing pot or whatever cooker you have. Cover it and keep it like that way. And after 5 to 10 minutes, then take it on your bowl and have it, because then it's fully cooked. Because see, I know it's difficult for the unpolished rice to be cooked, so that's why soak it. After soaking it, it's easier also, and it's easier to digest also. Wow, good. अजून टाकणं लागतं त्याच्यामध्ये. हे झालं का? शिजते. But I tell you, it's very tasty after you have the food from the chula, which is cooked on the chula. Okay. Hello, I'm back again to see if the rice is cooked. Come everyone, come and see. Yes, this is done, and I've added little jaggery syrup, and I'm again adding a little bit. See, stir it, keep it for a few minutes till I see the other rice. Let's keep it like this way. Aha, this is giving a lovely aroma. Hope everyone was here. Just smell it. Wow. Aha. Lovely masala bhat with all the vegetables in it. You can say vegetable biryani, you can say masala wangi bhat, anything. Now I'll serve. Yeah. Come, who's coming to have this? We broke the nariyals, so the shells we're using as bowls, and you know we've got lovely banana plantation here. So first let's taste the nariyal bhat, okay? Wait. Aha. It's watering. Ow! Hot! Oh. But it's tasty, it's yummy. Yeah. Ah. Now let's taste this also. This is the masala bhat. Now I'll be a little careful. I know Gogo is not there today. His voice can come. His voice is barking. Too hot, but too tasty. Aha, मस्त मसाला भात. एकदम मस्त, एकदम छान. spicy. Come and enjoy, everyone. Come on. Yes, bye.